our headmen, and our village heads. The insights and perspectives we share during this annual gathering should drive our country forward. As we do so, Hatikanganwe, kuti kuzvitonga zvizere kwatinako kwakauya nehondo yerusununguko. Imwi madzimambo edu makabatsira zvikuru kurwisa vavengi, tinokutendai. Imwi madzimambo ndimwi varidzi vevhu. Hurumende yandinotungamira icharamba ichitsigira kushanda kwedu pamwe chete nemwi. My government will remain closely intertwined with the traditional leaders. And for that, we make no apologies. The traditional leaders and communities supported the armed struggle for liberation. Now, under a free and independent Zimbabwe, this relationship will continue to thrive. Let no one disturb this intricate connection. Our collective resolve saw us claim back the land of our forefathers and realize independence, freedom, and democracy we enjoy today. My esteemed chiefs, ladies and gentlemen, as you are aware, a stronger, industrialized, and modern economy for Zimbabwe depends largely on increased agriculture production and productivity, food security, and the adequate supply of raw materials for our various industries. I therefore commend you, chiefs, madzimambo, for the successes we continue to witness in the agriculture space, including in mining, infrastructure, tourism, and manufacturing sectors. Ndinokutendai mose, ngiyalibonga lonke izinkosi zethu. The Pfumvudza, it was winter wheat, village business units, livestock and fisheries, as well as horticulture projects, are having an impact on overall agriculture productivity across the country. The total harvests, household incomes, and the quality of livelihoods of our communities continue to improve. Zvinodadisa kuti isu vene venyika tava kushandisa ivhu redu tichisimudzira matunhu edu. My government will continue to support and resource all the policies and programs we have rolled out under the Second Republic. These include the Zunderamambo Ispala Senkosi program. Ndinovimba kuti ma-inputs ari kusvika kumatunhu edu. Musasoda kutaura kana asingasviki. Vakomana vangu Ndovaziva. The ultimate goal of these interventions under the Rural Development 8.0 program is to accelerate rural industrialization. Facilities which include factories for agro-processing, storage, and the marketing of agriculture produce are being constructed by my administration. To mitigate the adverse effects of climate change, the construction and rehabilitation of irrigation schemes across the country is ongoing. The completion of Gwai, Shangani, and the Kunzi dams is being speeded up. My government's aim is to ensure that these dams, among others, become fully operational with requisite and a modern water conveying infrastructure. This will enable the creation of agriculture green belts for the benefit of our communities in the country as a whole. You, our esteemed chiefs, are the custodians of the land, custodians of the environment, as well as custodians of our natural resources. Let us all work together under the whole of government and society approach in the fight against these and other negative social vices. With regards to your conditions of service, my administration remains committed to improve your remunerations. The provision of electricity, water, and sanitation facilities, as well as the construction of access roads, among other facilities, is ongoing. In respect of medical aid and the funeral insurance, my government is working together with partners and service providers to put in place a comprehensive policy package. To ensure your mobility and communication, I will be handing over another batch of vehicles to you, and the mobile phones to you chiefs. More will be distributed as resources permit. Finally, allow me to express my profound gratitude to you all